new techniques to create delicious dishes in the comfort of our own house. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this video is for you. With the cooking vegetables is a common practice that make them more palatable and easier to digest. However, some nutrients in vegetables can be lost during the cooking process. The nutrients that are heat sensitive, water soluble, or susceptible to oxidations are the most vulnerable to degradations during cooking. The exact nutrients lost during cooking vegetables depend on various factors such as cooking method, duration, and temperature. Some common nutrients that can be lost during cooking vegetables, including water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. While cooking can cause nutrients lost in vegetables, it can also increase the bioavailability of some nutrients, making them easier for the body to absorb. For example, cooking tomato can release more lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. Overall, the understanding the nutrition changes that occurs during the cooking vegetables can help individuals make informed decisions about their diet and food preparation method. Steaming veggies can preserve the nutrients, color, shapes, and textures without having to add any unnecessary fats through ingredients like oils and butter. To steam, place food into a steam basket and cover over the simmering water. Since the food is not directly touching the water, vegetables retain the more of their nutrients. Some nutrients dissolve in water, so you lose your vitamins to cooking water. If you prepare to boil your vegetables, for example boiling a potato can cause much of potato's vitamin B and C to migrate into the boiling water. Water-soluble vitamins such as B and C are the most sensitive to cooking method. These vitamins have a tendency to leach out of veggies that boil and can be degraded by heat. Yet the water-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, K are far better during the cooking process.